Toss toss. It's good to see me, isn't it? Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I thought we could just spend the day together. I have a few fun packages and things that we're going to do, kind of like a content creator day in the life, and I wanted to spend it with you, so let's get into it. I have my camera on autofocus, so if you hear the lens, I'm really sorry. I need to work on getting a microphone or something. Let's start. I've got you balanced on top of my skincare drawers, so I don't know how this is going to work. There's my drawer. Okay, so we're going to start with the micellar water. I love using this Garnier one. And how cute is this little cotton pad holder? I love it. It makes the skincare so fun. Now I have my skincare prep done, I'm ready to do my makeup, and that's going to be filmed on my phone, and I'll show you my filming setup. It's a little bit complicated, so I won't be able to show you, but definitely go check out my shorts on YouTube and my... So this is the filming setup. I have these two lights, which I love, and then I just try and see myself in the mirror. It's kind of difficult because I'm now doing my videos with my back camera, so I quite literally cannot see. That's why I have the mirror behind me, but that's what I'm going to do now, and I'll insert the video here. So I just finished filming and doing my makeup. I really like how it turned out, and I've been using a NARS powder and it is so good. I literally hated using powder before because it just looked funny on my face and it was so dry, but this one's really good, so I'm really impressed with that. And I'm going to take a break now. I've been filming some TikToks and I did my makeup video, so I'm going to have lunch now. I'm gonna have a wrap and then we will get back to work. I think I'm going to read a little bit. I'll tell you more about the book I'm reading after lunch because I'm really hungry, but it is so good. You guys should follow my book talk if you aren't already. Okay, so I have a PR call for you guys, and it is really exciting. Some of these brands I knew I was getting things from, but this one is a complete surprise. So you're going to get my first reaction and surprise to see what it is. I can't wait any longer, so let's open these. First we start with Bubble, and this I knew I was getting. It's part of their limited edition holiday collection. And I love when brands send me notes. I always keep them. So this is their little happy holidays from Bubble Notes. So cute. And then this is the card that shows everything in their limited edition holiday collection. I have the lip eye set. So this is the Peppy Mint Lip Balm and Charm set. And it's candy cane scented. And you guys, look at this packaging. It's iridescent and it's like a little charm for your Christmas tree. How cute is this? I'm obsessed with this packaging. Let's open it up. The lip balm is also iridescent. It has this little peppermint charm, and this is the cutest thing ever. It's like your own little keychain with the best lip ice. And like I said, it's candy cane scented, which is so cool and so festive. I love this, and my husband's definitely gonna steal this from me, but that's okay because we've got something else from Bubble too. Next we have this box, and this was a surprise. They asked to send it to me, which it's like, I can't believe that brands are asking to send things to me. I'm so grateful, but this is so cool. It is Wicked themed. That is the most insane thing ever. It's so cool. You guys, the other way, this packaging. This is the other half lip balm set. Wicked X Bubble. This is so cute. It says enchant your face, and I think you get 2 lip balms, the Elphaba and Galinda. And we have the second Wicked movie coming out later this year in November, and I just watched the Wicked Dancing with the Stars episode, so this is coming at the perfect time. And how cute is this? I'm so excited to do a video on it. So this packaging, is this not the cutest thing ever? The lip balms are like metallic green and pink. I'm just in shock. I love glitter, so the pink is mine, but how cute is this? And then you get this little pouch as well. I'm not going to open it because I'm going to do a dedicated TikTok and Instagram for this, so you can see that on there. But thank you, Bubble. I love this so much. And I also have a discount code if you guys want to get any of these things. So I'll leave it up here, and any discount codes I have in my description always. So I'm so excited. Okay, the flavors are Elphaba Green Apple and Galinda Bubblegum. That sounds so good. Okay, and our final item in our PR haul is from Mediheal, and when they reached out to me, I was so excited because Korean skincare is literally the best, you guys. I've been using Cosrx, and it is so good, so I'm so excited to see what they sent me and what we get to try. So this will be my first reaction to seeing everything. We have a selection of all of their toner pads. How cool is this? These boxes are actually huge. This is gonna last so long. I can't wait to try these. As you guys know, I've been suffering with my skin, so this is much needed. This is the Tea Tree Trouble Pad. I love the packaging of this as well. I think it's so cool. Let's open one up so we can see what it looks like. This is actually huge. I wasn't expecting it to be so big, but I love this packaging too. It's so cool. It says it's a daily treatment pad that helps soothe irritated skin for smooth, radiant looking skin, and you gently wipe along skin texture on areas with skin trouble. This is perfect for me. And it comes with these tweezers that you can use to get the pads out, so that's very helpful. These are going to look so cute all together. They sent a few more, so this is their Maida Cassadide blemish pad. Yes, that's exactly what I need. We have 2 more in the box. This is collagen ampoule pad. I don't know how to say that, but it's pink, so cute. And the final thing is a Vitamid brightening pad. And this one's yellow. This is so cute. Thank you so much to Mediheal for sending these to me. I can't wait to try these out. I'm definitely going to try this tonight. Maybe I think this one, the blemish pad. So exciting. I also wanted to show you guys the book I'm reading currently. This is The Kingdom of Flesh and Fire. I'm reading it on my Kindle, of course, because I'm obsessed with it and I read all books on my Kindle now. But this is part of the Blood and Ash series, and it is so good, you guys. If you have not read From Blood and Ash, what are you doing? You literally have to read it. It is so good. If you love romantasy that is spicy and has morally grey MMC and strong FMC, then you need this in your life. The first book was a 4-star for me. It was really good, but the second book is even better. And I don't know where the story is even going because there are so many more books in the series, and I'm so happy because I feel like I just need a really long book series to keep me captivated, and all the books are like 600 plus pages, so that is perfect for what I need and perfect for having on the Kindle because I don't have to hold the heavy book. So this is what I'm going to be doing now. I'm going to do a bit of reading and I'll see you guys later. Would you wanna